guys, it's Devyn here from Adventure Family Journal. I came to Tuscany to learn about Italian food, my favorite. I'm going to learn how to make the Castagnaccio. This cake is usually made in the autumn season when it's starting to get cold.
Today I'm going to teach you the Castagnaccio cake, which is something very, very special because it's a cake without sugar.
There's no sugar in this cake and it's gluten-free. I think that means I can eat it anytime I want. We're using chestnut flour, pine nuts, and raisins. Step 1, sift the chestnut flour. This is very important so it doesn't become clumpy. Using a spoon, push the flour through the sieve. Do it several times so it's nice and fine. This flour is just made out of chestnuts. Here on the streets of Lucca, they roast chestnuts and they gave us a little sample and it's so good.
That's good, especially when it's cold. Huh?
Yes.
I know.
My sisters and I love buying bags of chestnuts to snack on. Step 2, get your raisins ready by soaking them in a bowl of water. You'll need those for later. Step 3, little by little add water to the chestnut flour and mix it in. It takes time, but you need to get it all incorporated. It looks kind of funny when it's being mixed, but trust me, it'll be delish. Step 4, prepare the walnuts.
This. Okay, very, very easy because we don't need something precise.
This is one of my favorite parts.
Just do a little bit more and we can check if it's enough or not.
Put the walnuts in a dishcloth and gently hammer them.
Okay, let me check. Perfect.
This is how you roughly chop a nut.
We take some to put on top.
Save a few walnuts to put on the top of the cake.
And you can start to transfer walnut in the bowl.
Step 5 is also fun. Squeeze the raisin to get all the water out.
So now it's a raisin time. So you have to squeeze it like this. Show you. You see?
Yes.
Okay, and then add in the mixture.
How fun is Italian baking? Step 6, pine nuts.
Very good, very good.
Save a few for the top of the cake. Step 7, oil the pan. It's way more fun when you use your hands.
And this oil will give a nice taste to our Castagnaccio.
Step 8, transfer the batter into the cake pan. Spread it all around. You want a cake to be even. Add those nuts you reserved on the top of the cake. Finally, add the rosemary needles.
Okay, so rosemary. Okay.
It just smells like fall. For the finishing touch, drizzle olive oil on the top of the cake. It's ready to go in the oven.
Castagnaccio, you see, it's ready to go in the oven.
Put it into the oven at 195 degrees Celsius. In Fahrenheit, that's 380 degrees. Into the oven for 35 minutes. Happy baking!
So we have to wait until there will be like a crust on top and the surface will be a little bit broken. It means that it's ready.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Good job.
We'll know the cake is done when it's crispy and broken on top. We have to check it a few times. Nope, not ready. Now it's ready. I can't wait to try this cake. It came out perfectly. This is the taste of autumn in Italy. Why don't you try making a Castagnaccio? Thanks to Ginny for teaching me how to make this delicious Italian cake. Italy.